Hi, John. Happy birthday to you.
Hi, June. Wishing you the best on your birthday. This is your Ate Opal. How young are you? Say happy birthday na mo kang Doc, ne? Sana sikan ng pasibayo at long life. Oy, kuya ini
Hello, say. Oh, sana kayang birthday ng Doc. May sabi kaming pasibayo. Happy birthday na mo kayo, ne? Thank you.
Hello, Uncle June. Happy birthday. May your birthday be full of happiness and good health. May your wishes come true in due time. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle June. May the good Lord grant you all your heart's desires and wishes, and stay strong and positive. Thank you to Shay, Zia, and family for taking good care of you. Madakala ring lulugod ka at mga di. We love you, Uncle. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Doc! God bless! Good health! See you!
See you. Let's go to Baguio.
Baguio na!
Hi pa. Happy birthday.
We're always praying for you po. Be strong, hindi po tayo pababayaan ni Lord. Hindi po kayo pababayaan ni Lord. We're always praying sa inyo pong lahat na nandyan.
Yeah, and sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayon, yung celebration mo ngayon. And sana maging okay din ang lahat. You know, your health, happiness, and family. Magkikita-kita pa tayo. Lapit na yun. Ingat ka palagi pa. Let's always be positive. Okay, ingat palagi. I love you.